Hello, beautiful traders. I come to you again straight from Probaba FX. I know you've had a beautiful weekend, so we're going to make you something for the week. First, we're looking at reversal patterns that indicate a change in direction. Yeah, a lot of you are always very assumptuous. You feel that your emotions can be infused into the market and the market will always do what you want. But no, with the availability of price action, there are some reversal patterns, price action patterns that indicate a change in direction. And we're going to look at 3 to 4 of them. There are 3 that are 100% assured that it will always cause the market to change direction. One of them is the head and the shoulder. And we also have inverted head and shoulder. Where does the idea of head and shoulder come from? Very simple. Look at your head and look at your shoulder. So you have your head and then you have your shoulder. So when you see a pattern where there is a candlestick that is directly above 2 candlesticks that are at a similar level, it's an inverted head and shoulder or a head and shoulder. So when you have a candlestick that has a long head and then 2 shoulders that are of equal part, it's a strong indication that the market is going to go the opposite direction. We also have double top and double bottom. Double top and double bottom, when you have a resistance at the same price, exactly at the same price, it shows a very strong resistance. Or when you have a resistance at a support area, it shows a very strong support. Don't forget something. When the reversal or the retracement from a resistance or a support is very long, know that that is a very strong area of support or resistance. There is 90% tendency that when the market gets back into that zone, it's going to equally retrace. The neckline is like a W or an M. When you have a W or an M, you discover that there is a triangle that forms in between. The triangle always stands for the neckline. There is a tendency that the market would always come and break that triangle. Bearish and bullish flag, as it sounds, is not how it really is. When the market is trending upwards in a diagonal pattern, it is called a bearish flag. And when the market is trending to the bearish side in a diagonal pattern, it is called a bullish flag. These 4 price action patterns are a very strong indication that the market is going to change direction. Heads and shoulder and double top are 100% assured. Let's milk it.
Probaba FX shop for you.